guys, welcome to this week's video.
This is our journey on Pico Island. I'm Laura.
And I'm Carlos, and we are in Baia De Canas.
Okay. And today we decided to film a small cultural house that you can actually rent.
Yeah, these are like heritage, right? So these houses are probably the first made on the island, lava rock, a lot of work went into them. And some of these were adegas for wine, and a lot of them have been transformed into vacation rentals. Obviously, they can't touch on the outside because that's the heritage part, but on the inside, in this case, they left a lot of it the same, but they've modernized it into a beautiful, quaint vacation rental, right? And we do have this particular rental in some of our packages. Life Wellness has it as well, and that's our travel partner that we do the packages with. And we've been talking to the owner here, Paulo, and he said, look, whenever you want, come over and film it. Then we finally did.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So we love this area. Actually, on this day, we're doing the videos of this cottage, which is in Baia De Canas, the area. We'll put the links to connect both, because we love this area, like we mentioned on the video that we've done on Baia De Canas, and we visit quite often now. And I never knew this existed until probably 3 years ago. And as you can see, it's just a very private, basically one road in, one road out, just gorgeous setting, maybe 20, 30 of these cottages that are still here. And
you have a beautiful view of Saint George as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
But it's just the privacy of it all.
Yeah, it's very private.
Yeah. Who would like to stay here? Like, what kind of people? I would say if I want something private, where it's very quiet, there's not anybody around, still close in some ways. You would need a car to stay here. Mm-hmm. But if you want something private, this is the place.
Yeah, and it's a one bedroom. And I believe does it have a pull-out? No, not a pull-out couch. So it's just a one-bedroom house. One bedroom, one bathroom.
So if anyone wants information about staying here, just send me an email, right? And then I'll forward this to either Egidio, who we do the packages with, or directly to the owner, okay? But before going on a tour of the house, I'm just going to give a little bit of information. There is parking in here as you come down the road. This is sort of halfway down from the park, or where the main road of the island is, to the ocean. But there is parking, lots of for at least 1 or 2 cars from what I've seen. And then there's the house. Again, everything's been. I don't think they've harmed the nature here too much, right? They just basically extended on to the original house here in a very quaint and modern way. And then outside you have tables, actually one made out of lava rock.
Yeah.
Right? You have seats made out of lava rock. You have a wood oven. You have a little barbecue out of lava rock. So as a hammock. And then there's a door that you can take, a red door that you can see, you can just open on the way down to they use the word beach, but there is sort of a black sand beach that appears and disappears. I would just say it's the coast. Let's just say the coast, okay?
And we're next to Santa Amaro and also Cell Rock.
Yeah, I would say we're in between Sohok and Santa Amaro, again, and it's through the park. When you come off the main road and make your way down into Baia De Canas, this area, yes, you would have to go through the park again. Go slow. These roads are paved, but you just have to go slow. They're not, very wide. Sometimes there's potholes after rain. But when you get here, it's so quiet. You're in the middle of lots of pine trees and other trees, local trees. I think
and the ferry is in Cell Rock to go over to Saint George.
Saint George as well. Mm-hmm. Very well located.
And one of our favorite restaurants is here in Santa Amaro, and it's right off a cliff with panoramic views. Magma.
And our favorite bar now.
Oh, Cabana
Bar. We've done a video on it.
Yeah, and you probably already saw that video.
And we'll put a link to. So again, it's an awesome area. Even if you wouldn't be staying here, I think it's worth visiting because it's fairly unique, because of just how private and nature, like full of nature. There's a huge waterfall here when it rains a lot. Literally by our friend's house, so it just thunders down to the ocean. So it's very dramatic here. The coast, just extremely dramatic.
When you walk down to the beach, down to the coast, you can go fishing, you can go kayaking, swimming, It's a nice area to hang out for
Paddle
the day.
boats. What do you call those paddle boats? Some people have done that. I was told. And hiking all over here. You know, up or just.
You have to bring your own paddle boat though.
Yeah, you would.
Don't. You can't rent them down there.
No, no, no. But I mean, and the walking you can do. Sure, you know, kind of a few different extremes of hiking, or a few levels of hiking, from just mild walking around here.
Now we're going to take you on the tour.
Stay here.
Yeah.
Paul,
I
I want to
would.
stay here. Okay. We want to stay here. One day we need to get away from the area we spend most of our time, and we want to stay close to Eric and Jillian here. Maybe one of those nice parties that he throws once in a while.
Yeah,
We can
and
stay
we could
here.
just walk back.
Right. Yes. Yeah. We hope you enjoyed the tour. I mean, it's a beautiful place. I can't. The word comes to me is like a modern, quaint, you know, property here. Great job on adding the second part of it, which was the bathrooms or the bathroom, the bedroom. Great job inside and out. So hopefully, again, the link will be here. We have our email. If you have any questions, if you want more information, please reach out to us. And I'm pretty quick on answering you within 24 hours, definitely.
Yeah.
And hope to hear from you.
And enjoy your stay.
Yeah, definitely enjoy your stay. I talked to him. This video will be done here right in the first week of June. It's a popular place. Let's put it that way. He's pretty booked, but it's all year round. He even has long stays here. So like a lot of the properties that we tend to like and do, it's all year round, and you can stay short and longer term, midterm we call it. So, anyways, don't forget to like and comment, send us a message, and if you haven't subscribed,
Please do.
please do. Okay, guys, see you on the next video.
See ya.